coming over there when Dhairya was doing it. Na? Something
sir.
on the screen, your name came on my screen. That you are
Like
scribbling.
people annotate.
Yeah. No, he won't do it again. He won't do it again. And at least now I know that, na, who is doing it. So the next problem.
नाही आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम डिस्कस करत होतो ना.
हा झाला ना. तुम्हाला तो कळलाच नाही का? एक मिनिट परत बघतो, परत दाखवतो.
कोणाला तरी कळला नाही म्हणाला ना.
Okay. No issues. Yeah, this was the position. Everybody can hear me?
Yeah.
Everybody can hear me? This was the position. So when this moved over here, actual attack is here. Checkmate.
Okay.
So this has to be saved first. Priority should be given to this. How this can be saved? Either pawn over here so that this is supporting, or pawn kill this, or rook kill this. This is the only way. And then whatever done by the black, you get this. 100% you are getting the piece.
Wonderful.
That is, you are giving 3 points and you are getting 2 points. That's all. Let's move next problem. So discover attack is actually what we have seen is that quite simple. Simpler than what we thought about fork is quite difficult, in fact, to understand fork. Discovering fork. So here discovered attacks can have fork. So one of the pieces creating fork, and at the same time discovered attack is created. So in all there will be 3 attacks. Here when there are 2 attacks, you can't save. When there are 3 attacks, then you have got multiple choice. So quite a lethal weapon, we can say, this discovered attack. Quite a lethal weapon. And you know that how to prevent this, that you have to recognize such an attack is coming, and then you have to keep away your pieces from such attack. For example, this particular position, I will show you how to refute that attack. I will take the position on our demo board. Yeah, whose chance it is? Okay, this was the position. No? Okay, fine. This was the position. This was the position. Okay, now black must, it is white's turn, and white is moving this over here, giving this free. Okay, because the real attack is this checkmate. This is the checkmate. This is ye nahi, and because of this over here, this and this gone. So checkmate. So black will not dare to take this. Black can only come over here. And still it is checkmate.
No, sir.
Clear check. Why not?
Yes. Sir, at first I thought if the king
Why not?
moved to the other.
If this kills, you know this is checkmate, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever
yes,
he
sir.
moves, yeah. But if he moves this, isn't this checkmate?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I didn't
It is
realize that
checkmate.
the rook was there. I didn't realize the rook was there.
Okay. So now let us find out how to avoid this. Never the parts of phone. Now here it is white's turn. So before white, black must have played something. Black must have played something. Let us assume that this was here and black has played this. So while playing this, he is creating this attack. So what black should have played is that this particular square is dangerous because this cannot move anywhere. So this should have played over here. Now there is no discovered attack. Even if this comes, this will kill, this check, this will go over here. Easy. Number 2. Second position, we will assume this wasn't over here. This was here. Oh no. Yeah, this was here. So here, very common as per our rules. This is pin, no support, right? So it is natural that black is going to move this, pinning this, and this is the disaster. So this is what you have to recognize before playing that. What will happen? Discovered attack. There is, you are pinning, but at the same time you are going under discover attack. So when you pin, you should see that if it is kicked back to us. So one thing you have to keep in mind that while pinning also, this piece which is pinning, this is the piece which is pinning, this should have some sort of support. If this have support, then you are saved. I will show you this in a regular position, our regular game. Just a minute. How it occurs and how you are badly punished. This is our regular board. Okay. Just see how the opening goes. Just observe. Shri, observe. Attack, which very natural. Support, or this also comes. Okay. Then this comes. Then this comes. Then this. Now see, this is pinned, right? When this comes, this comes. Now the danger is, you see, this comes, this kills. What is the danger now? This is pin, but at the same time, you can see this is the discovered attack. Don't you? For black, this is a fantastic pin. This cannot move anywhere. But for white, it is a discovered attack. You have seen this particular thing. What happens, you know? Now, supposing check. He kills. Then check. Now this is supported. If this goes anywhere, then you get this. So pin, when you give a pin, this bishop was not having support. And then you get the attack on yourself. This is the danger of the pin. What discovered attack we were looking at, in other way around, this was the pin given by opponent, and you are converting that pin into a discovered attack. Here actual game doesn't go like this, of course. Actual game goes like this. if you don't, do you remember this now? You can't kill this. If you kill, you lose this. And if you kill this, gone. Check. This will come over here and mate. The classical example of attack, no? Giving your queen now. This is the discovered attack and checkmate. Very, very popular attack. Here also what we have done, a discovered attack only. This came over here, this was here, and this was here. So discovered attack. Now here the discovery is what? Check के लिए. Purposely you are giving this. If opponent takes this, it is good. Then you take this. This was here. Then it is equal. You got this, everybody? Everybody understood this?
Yes.
A discovered attack is a reverse spin. I was searching for that word. Now I got it. It is a reverse of pin. Opposite of pin. See here, same position. This is a pin basically. You can see. This is a pin given by rook. But now pin उसके ऊपर ही उल्टा पड़ रहा है, भारी पड़ रहा है. And then mate. Next puzzle. We are very nearing this 94 figure. Yeah. White to move. Yes, anybody? Easy this is. Now everybody has understood the concept. All these problems have become very easy. Yes, Manisha, can you solve this?
Yes, I'm thinking of what attack can be created so that the queen can attack the other queen. You have to move the bishop.
Yeah, that is, you have recognized that, but where to?
So bishop to g7.
Bishop to g7, you are attacking the rook. But you will lose the queen and you get the rook. And that also again, your bishop will be killed.
b4.
Bishop to b4. Bishop to b4 again, queen kills your queen.
Yeah, even the rook is there to support.
नम्रता पानी देकर जरा पहले. Avani, come on.
Sir, castling.
Dhairya, yes.
Sir, castling.
No. Not castling. Castling is not giving any discovered attack. Good try. Thinking something different. Yeah.
And the flow of game, this play is C. Okay.
See, one concept is here, there should be a forced move.
Yeah, that's what we are searching for. Then fine, now the bishop should go to G7.
The bishop, if goes to G7, queen takes queen. Then bishop takes rook and knight takes rook back, or knight takes bishop back. So white is on the losing side.
The pawn B2 to B4.
On B2 to B4 attacking the queen. Queen will go
Yeah,
back.
but it's
Queen will go back
there's
simply.
no hidden attack as such.
No hidden attack. Usually in discovered attack, when two pieces are lying, the piece which is in the front is to be moved, not the piece in the back.
Yeah.
Hans and Shri. Thank you. Yes, Hans, I'm expecting this from you. See, now the fact is established that you have to move the bishop. Now, how many places are there for the bishop? We try to understand now, one by one. If it is D2, no attack is coming. If it is B4, yeah,
Sir,
no attack is coming. Yes, Hans.
I think it would be bishop c3 kills pawn at g7 because we'll attack the rook that way.
No. Then you are losing your queen and you will get only rook.
Okay.
See, what is more important than the queen?
King.
Yes. So that means you have to attack the king. Because here the problem is you are giving attack on queen. Hidden attack is on queen. So there should be some attack on better piece than queen. Then only you will get. Otherwise, your queen is also in trouble. Abhi, I will show you the same position on demo board and explain. See here, if it is some other piece, for example, smaller piece, and then this is a little bit okay, because small piece is attacking, you may lose a small piece and you also get the similar one. And again, this is bad because you are losing that. Or otherwise, if this is here and this is here and this is nowhere somewhere. So this is a good attack. Attack is there. And you cannot kill this. So you have to go on saving this somewhere and then you get this. This is the way. Okay, fine. But now the situation is not like that. Your queen is also in trouble. your queen is in trouble. Queen doesn't have any support. So attack should be on this. This is in white, where the attack will come. Here is the attack. Try to understand, all of you. Just see this. Watch. Here is the attack. Do you see checkmate now? It is a checkmate.
Yes, sir.
So nobody is going to kill this. If black chooses to castle, black loses this. Okay, and still black says no, I am not going to choose this castling also. This to be avoided, I will simply come over here. Now there is a support. Can you continue? Anybody? What you will play? Whether you will give check. If you give check, yeah, rook. Everybody says rook over here. Check, checkmate. So queen will kill, you will kill, and this will be killed. So in all, 5 plus 3, you are losing 8 points, and you are getting 10 points. But this is not the correct continuation. Not at all. You are not thinking now. You are simply playing like a robot. Creativity has to be there. See, here the queen has supported, so 2 supports are there. Our rule, what does the rule says? When there are 2 attacks, there should be only 1 support. 2 supports means there should be 3 attacks.
No.
Okay, then how to give 3 attacks? If it is possible, you can do this 3rd attack, but then he will escape forever. So that escaping should also be avoided. So 3rd attack should be very clear. How the 3rd attack? Instead of creating 3rd attack, you lessen the support. मुझे ज्यादा मार्क मिलने से अच्छा है सामने वाले को कम मार्क मिलेंगे तो भी मैं फर्स्ट आ जाऊंगा. 3 Idiots, if you have seen that. That is what in college Manisha used to do with me. उसे ज्यादा मार्क मिलने के लिए वो मेरे मार्क कम करती थी. So here this check is there. Now this is the protector. Protector will go away, then you get mate. And if protector doesn't go away, if this goes away, then you get this, as simple as that. Okay, we are ending our session because I have got 5:45 session. Some other children have started joining. So I will end it over here.
हा प्रॉब्लेम आपण नेक्स्ट टाइम परत घेऊया.
हो परत
कारण हे मला
घेऊया.
काही नीट कळलं नाही.
Okay. You note this down.
We'll start from here.
Yeah, problem number 72. 73. Problem number 73. Please note this down. We will take this problem again. And I am requesting all of you from first batch, please leave so that second batch will start.
Yes. Okay, then. Thank you.
Bye, sir.